Stop spending $8 at the store on green juice. Today, I will be showing you how to make the ultimate 3 ingredients green glow juice right at home using my Norma J2 juicer. But stick around until the middle of the video because today we have a new channel feature launching today that gives you direct VIP access to my kitchen. Let's chop it up! Now look at that color, and before I take my first sip, I have some historic news for Carla's Kitchen CC. The official join button is officially live on our channel right now. If you look below this video, you'll see the brand new join button. By becoming an official channel member, you will get exclusive perks like custom kitchen badge next to your name, VIP emojis to use in chats like our custom pineapple and green juice icons, and early access to my recipe videos before anyone else sees them. Your support keeps this kitchen cooking, so click that join button below and check out the perks and join the family today. Wow, the green apple completely cut through the celery. It is crisp, sweet, and pure energy. This is an absolute 10 out of 10. Go click that join button, drop a comment if you are joining the family today. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next week. Bye.